Producing foam in roll form requires a formulation different from flat sheets. Foamiran foam rolls offer exceptional tensile strength. This means that when the foam is pulled through automatic machinery, it does not tear or deform. We manufacture this product with an engineered density so that even at low thicknesses, starting from 1 millimeter, it preserves its cellular structure and does not collapse under the pressure of being rolled. High flexibility, fast recovery after unrolling, and resistance to surface tearing are among the features that distinguish Foamiran foam rolls, a flexible yet resilient material. Experience world-class technology through direct purchase from the Foamiran factory. Contact our experts for technical consultation.
Foamiran, Iran's leading foam authority.